Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change door pins on a Chevy Silverado. First, gather your essential tools to begin this repair confidently. You will need a 10mm socket, an impact driver, and a small pry bar. Additionally, ensure you have a sturdy floor jack and a block of wood available to support your door safely. Finally, make sure your new door pin and bushing kit is specifically designed for your truck, as precision parts are crucial for a smooth operation. With your tools ready, it is time to prepare the door for pin replacement. Start by carefully disconnecting any electrical connectors that run into the door, ensuring you have enough slack. Next, position your floor jack and wood block to securely support the door's weight from underneath. This prevents it from falling. Then, locate and remove the two 10mm bolts holding the door straps, allowing greater movement. Finally, use your pry bar to gently tap out the worn door pins from their hinges, working slowly and steadily. Now, you are ready to install the new door pins and bushings. Begin by inserting the 4 small new door bushings into both the top and bottom hinge openings. Make sure they sit flush. Then, carefully slide the 2 new door pins through these bushings, ensuring they are perfectly aligned with the hinge components. Verify that each pin is fully seated and moves smoothly within its new housing. Lastly, secure any retaining clips or washers provided with your new kit, which are often found at the bottom of each pin. With the new pins installed, it is time for the final assembly and testing phase. First, carefully reconnect all electrical connectors to your door, making sure each connection is secure and snug. Next, reinstall the 2 10mm door strap bolts, tightening them firmly to prevent any looseness. Slowly lower the floor jack, allowing the door to bear its own weight. Finally, test the door's opening and closing function several times, checking for smooth movement, proper alignment, and no unwanted sounds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.